Ever wondered how one person can make a significant positive impact in a company? Well, wonder no more. We're diving into the heart of this question, unraveling the layers of complexity and debunking common misconceptions. Many believe it's all about climbing the corporate ladder or having a high ranking position. But the reality is far from it. The key to making a difference lies not in your title, but in your actions. So, what's the most common tool used to make this positive impact? Stay tuned. The answer might surprise you. It's not about your technical skills or how many hours you work, it's about communication. Now you might be thinking, I'm not a people person, I'm a numbers person, or I'm an artist, not a speaker. But here's the thing, communication isn't just about words, it's about understanding and being understood. It's about listening, sharing ideas, and working collaboratively. It's about building relationships. In the workplace, communication is the glue that holds everything together. It's how we coordinate efforts, solve problems, and innovate. It's how we build trust and camaraderie. And it's how we make our value known. Yes, your hard skills are important, but without good communication, those skills can be overlooked or misunderstood. But how does communication lead to a positive impact? And what's in it for you? Effective communication can lead to improved relationships, increased productivity, and a more harmonious workplace. Imagine a world where your thoughts and ideas are clearly understood by others, where misunderstandings are a thing of the past. This is the power of effective communication. Let's dive deeper into the benefits. Firstly, it strengthens team relationships. When you communicate effectively, you build a sense of trust and respect. Your colleagues feel heard, appreciated, and they're more likely to contribute their ideas. It's like weaving a strong fabric out of individual threads, where each thread represents a member of the team. Secondly, it boosts productivity. Imagine you're part of a relay race team. If each runner knows exactly when and how to pass the baton, the team performs seamlessly, right? Similarly, when everyone in a workplace understands their roles, objectives, and deadlines, tasks get done more efficiently. Thirdly, effective communication fosters a positive work environment. It's a balm that soothes conflicts and misunderstandings before they escalate. It's like having a strong foundation for a building. It keeps everything stable, even during a storm. And finally, it enhances personal growth. As you learn to articulate your thoughts and listen to others, you develop skills like empathy, patience, and problem solving. It's like planting a seed in a garden. With time and care, it grows into a strong, beautiful tree. But how can you apply these insights to your own workplace? Let's explore how you can enhance your communication skills and make a positive impact in your company. Imagine a world without communication. Sounds like a nightmare, doesn't it? Now think about how much of that communication happens in your workplace. It's a lot, right? So how can we make it better? First off, clarity is key. Be concise, be clear, and be considerate. These 3 C's are the bedrock of effective communication. Avoid jargon, choose your words wisely, and always keep in mind the perspective of your listener. Secondly, active listening is just as important as speaking. When someone is talking, give them your full attention. Respond effectively to show that you understand, and ask questions if you don't. Remember, communication is a two-way street. Thirdly, respect is crucial. Treat others' ideas with consideration even if you disagree. You may be surprised at the insights you can gain when you're open to different perspectives. But what about nonverbal communication? Body language, tone of voice, facial expressions, they all play a significant role. Be aware of your own and be attentive to others. They can give you a lot of information that words alone can't convey. Finally, remember that feedback is your friend. It's a powerful tool for growth and improvement. Give constructive feedback and be willing to receive it. So, are you ready to make a positive impact in your company? Now that you have the tools, it's time to put them into action. Don't hesitate, start today. Implement these communication strategies and observe the positive changes unfold. And remember, this journey is not one you need to embark on alone. Share your experiences, insights, and any questions you may have in the comments below. Let's foster a community of growth and learning. Remember, your voice has power. Use it wisely and watch as you make a positive impact in your company.